Hello and welcome to another Traduno tutorial video. This time you'll learn how to manage client price lists. Let's get started. Client price list is a place you can store client rates in Traduno. Each client can have one price list which contains multiple price lines. A price line is a combination of a service, translation area, optionally a brand, source and target languages, currency and unit. Each price line must be unique, so that Traduno has an unambiguous information regarding the rate. Let's see how easy it is to create and edit a price list for your clients. First, let's open Traduno and go to the client's profile and navigate to the Services tab. Scroll down and look at the price list area. When it's empty, we can create a price list for the client from scratch. Click Download Template. It will download an Excel template to your computer. Let's open the file. The spreadsheet has the same columns as the price list. In here, you can easily create and multiply the price lines. There are some validations in the file which will help you avoid making duplicated price lines. Let's fill out some of the lines. As you can see, you can copy the line and paste it below. Make sure to make some changes so that they are unique. In this case, I will change the target languages. When I'm done with the changes, I can save the workbook. Going back to Traduno, I will simply import the file in the price list area of the Service tab. An important thing to remember is that the imported file will override the whole price list. The price list is now imported. When I want to edit it in bulk, I can export the price list into Excel, make my changes and import it back again. When I need to make a small change in one or a couple of lines, I will edit the page and make the changes in Traduno. Then I will confirm the changes. You can also add new lines this way. And that's how you can create and edit client price lists. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.